The Atlantic Ocean is getting wider every single year. Not metaphorically, not slowly over millions of years. Right now, as you're watching this, beneath the surface lies the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain range stretching over 16,000 kilometers. It's where two tectonic plates are pulling apart. Magma rises. New ocean floor is created, and the Atlantic expands by about 2 to 5 centimeters per year. That's roughly the speed your fingernails grow. This same ocean swallowed the RMS Titanic. It fuels the world's most violent hurricanes and hides thousands of shipwrecks in its depths. Empires crossed it. Millions migrated over it. Wars were fought because of it. But underneath the earth is literally tearing itself open. If the Atlantic keeps growing, what happens to the continents? What happens to us? Here's the twist. The Atlantic isn't the real threat. It's just proof that our planet is alive and we reliving on a moving, cracking surface. Follow X Facts World for more mind-blowing truths.